In our only video of today's lesson, you'll be introduced to hiragana that you will need to talk about the weather and exchange pleasantries. After this set of notes, you will be able to read and write 3 more hiragana characters and their related syllable. Just one. Our first character today is ke. It's 3 strokes. The first stroke is the same as ha and ho on the left side. It ends in a hook. Stroke 2 is the same as ha. In fact, ke and ha only differ in the lack of a loop at the bottom of ke. Notice that since we already know ke in katakana, our pronunciation is that character. Let's try it together. Stroke 1 is the stroke down the left and hook. Stroke 2 is a quick horizontal stroke. Stroke 3 is another long vertical stroke that ends in a tail. Ke. A kedged bird never sings. Wait, this bird got out of its kedge. It must be singing like crazy. Our next character is mu. It's also 3 strokes. The first is, of course, the usual horizontal stroke. Stroke 2 is a wonderful hook with a loop on it. Stroke order is important here. The horizontal stroke tells you where to make the loop. Stroke 2 ends in a tail. Stroke 3 is a quick short stroke above the tail in stroke 2. It stops. Let's see how well we can do on this. Stroke 1 goes right and stops. Stroke 2 goes down, loops around, and then turns back upward before it tails. Stroke 3 is quick and easy. Mu. Do you remember what a cow says? It says mu. Our final character is ru. It's only 2 strokes. Both strokes are connected like in ro. Stroke 1 is the infamous 7 stroke. Stroke 2 is like stroke 2 of ro, except it loops back around at the end. Let's see if we can do this one well. Stroke 1 is a 7. Stroke 2 picks up where we stopped, curls around, loops at the end, ru. The reason ru needs a loop at the end is so that it can hold its 3 rubies. That's all the characters for today. However, ke is from the kagyo. Its pronunciation can be altered by using dakuten. Just like the katakana ke, adding the dakuten to the hiragana ke gives you ge. Have you noticed that all the k sounds of characters from the kagyo become g sounds with the dakuten? We're done for the day, so let's review. Here is the full hiragana table again, and here are the characters we've learned so far. You'll complete this table in the next lesson. You will then have a few days to get them memorized and practice writing them quickly from memory. You'll be tested on completing all the hiragana tables soon. Don't forget, there are also several characters that have their sounds altered by adding dakuten and handakuten. With the addition of ke, this table is almost complete. We completed the palatal syllables table last lesson, so we won't need to review that again in the videos. However, remember to practice writing them quickly from memory. That's it for today. Enjoy!